Hello, and welcome back to Everyday Dialogue News.
I'm Amelia.
And I'm Logan. Hi, everyone. Ready to talk about today's news?
Yes, let's start with some big world news first. There was an important peace meeting yesterday.
A peace meeting? That's interesting. Which countries were there?
Many leaders from Europe and Asia. They talked for many hours.
Do you think it will help? Stopping wars is very difficult.
I hope so, but it's a good first step, right? Any other news from you, Logan?
Yes, let's talk about the economy. The price of coffee is going up again.
Oh no, really? I drink coffee every morning. This is bad news for me.
Me too. Maybe we should drink tea instead. It's cheaper.
Good idea. But my big news is about sports. The city marathon is next month.
A marathon? 42 kilometers? That's too long for me. I can't run.
I can't run either, but many people will watch it. It's very exciting.
True. Let's watch it together on TV. Now, technology news?
Yes, a big company just showed their new phone. It folds in half.
Folds in half. Why? Is it useful?
I don't know. It looks cool, but it's very expensive. Would you buy it?
No, I'm happy with my simple phone. So, any accident news today?
Unfortunately, yes. There was a big storm in the north. Many trees fell down.
That's terrible. I hope everyone is safe. The weather is crazy these days.
I agree. Climate change is a big problem. People should use less plastic.
Good point. Hey, did you see the news about that famous actor?
Which actor? Tell me. I love celebrity news.
He's making a new movie in Italy. The pictures on the internet look amazing.
Italy is beautiful. I want to travel there one day. Okay, back to serious news.
Okay. There's also news about education. More students are learning online now.
Online? But is it good? I like talking to my teacher in the classroom.
It's convenient, but sometimes my internet is slow. It's frustrating.
I understand. Oh, sorry. Reading all this news makes me a little tired.
Me too. Maybe we should take a coffee break. But coffee is expensive now.
True. Let's have water instead. So, what's the most surprising news for you today?
For me, it's the peace meeting. We need more peace in the world.
I agree. And for me, it's the folding phone. Technology is changing so fast.
Sometimes too fast. I can't follow it. Are you nervous about the future?
A little. There are many problems. But I'm also excited about new possibilities.
That's a positive way to think. Should we talk about local news now?
Good idea. But my big news is about sports. The new park downtown is finally opening next week.
Really? That's great. We can go for a walk there on Sunday.
Perfect. I also heard they will have free music concerts in the summer.
Even better. Okay, I have some cultural news. The museum has a new Egyptian art show.
Egyptian? Like mummies and pyramids? That sounds fascinating.
Yes, I want to go. Do you want to come with me next weekend?
Sure, let's go. But we should buy tickets online first. They sell out fast.
Okay, I'll do it tonight. There is also some sad health news.
What is it?
The flu was very strong this season. Many children are sick.
Oh, that's upsetting. We should wash our hands more often.
Definitely. Prevention is important. Hey, are you hungry? All this talking.
Yes, a little. Maybe we can order pizza after the show.
Great idea. But first, let's finish the news. Any last story, Amelia?
One last thing. My friend Sarah sent me funny news about a cat that can open doors.
A cat? That's amazing. How?
She jumps and pulls the handle. There's a video. It has millions of views.
The internet loves animals. Sometimes funny news is the best news.
I agree. It makes people happy. Okay, Logan, I think we covered a lot today.
Yes, from peace meetings to clever cats. That's a full news report.
I'm exhausted now. Talking about the world is hard work.
But it's important to know what's happening, even if some news is difficult.
You're right. We should stay informed and also find time for pizza and cat videos.
Perfect plan. So, that's all for today's Everyday Dialogue news.
Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more daily conversations.
And tell us in the comments, what news surprised you this week? See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Stay curious.
Bye, and wash your hands.